Hey guys, so it is Sunday afternoon. I had to turn around and heard some dogs barking. Sunday afternoon. We've already went to church online, but we went to church, gave God praise, heard the word. It was good from our pastor, and we're about to go visit our mothers. Not inside, but just having them come on the porch just for some contact. So we're gonna do that. Maybe do a little sightseeing today. I just thought it'd be fun. Let me see if my husband wants to do some sightseeing today, just around some nice neighborhoods, or just drive around the city a little bit, and then come on back home.
I can't wait no more. Sick of trying, that's why I'm always smiling.
Hey, mwah, mwah, mwah.
Grandma still getting dressed?
She said she came to the door. She said, "I'm eating my cereals. I'll be back." I said, "How you gonna have company and make them wait?"
That was 30 minutes ago.
What'd you say?
That was 30 minutes ago.
Cindy.
I gotta get Stacy on the line.
Okay.
All right. Talked to the boys earlier today. They was
There's
insane.
Mom. Say hello, Mom.
He was just saying.
Can you see it, Mama?
All right, we'll see ya. See ya.
Okay,
See ya.
That's probably what I want to put around. Like
See ya.
See you, Reese.
that.
See you, Doris.
See ya.
Wait, I'm going home with you. You going home with me, rather. See you, Albert.
In a minute, though.
Peace.
So when we go out,
Woo.
You and your pink shoes. You got, no, baby.
1,300 more than a week ago. The number of coronavirus deaths in Ohio now stands at 29. Today, emergency workers on the front lines. The governor today.
So my husband had just gotten his pool table room back and all together. This is his space back here. But because Jalen came back, which is fine, but her stuff is back here. Her college stuff that she, all her decorations, all her essentials, all her stuff is here. Printer and just stuff. So, yeah, he had to give up his room again. And today, Chris and Isaiah are taking the deck down. So we're getting a slab of concrete back here sometime or another, but Isaiah's helping Daddy learning how to do some stuff. So these are the other groceries, you guys. It is good and cool out here, so it's not hot at all. It's still cool where I am in the country. So that's bread right there, and then that's paper towel, and that's sitting on the back of my trunk in the garage in our house. And then these are other items that I bought that can stay out here because it was recommended that items that don't have to go in the house, that they stay in the garage, or if you don't have a garage, just somewhere out of reach, basically. Because it is on cardboard and paper that the virus can last up until, I believe it's 24 hours. And then I think it's plastics, metals, and something else that it can stay on for 3 days. So it says just leave them be, and everything here does not have to be refrigerated or put in the freezer. So I was good to go. My husband put a table out here, and we have the non-essential items out here like chips and syrup and other things. So that's that. So this is Miss J. She got all dolled up. Yeah, she just did a little video clip or video. So, and their makeup pretty and her hair pretty. I love it. I love it.
Beat by me, hair by me. If you want to check out this look, make sure you come to the Real J Dolls channel to see how to do this makeup for beginners.
Alrighty now, pretty. Cute. I'm not feeling well today, but hubby made dinner and it's very, very good. Baked chicken and mixed vegetables, rice, and chicken noodles. That was very good. It is Saturday afternoon, and Jalen is cleaning her makeup brushes, and she does makeup very well. Look at her brushes. She got like a couple of sets there.
Oh my goodness.
Is it a couple sets?
Yeah.
So she's cleaning her brushes and conditioning her brushes. I'll put my video link at the end. I did a brush, how you clean and condition your brushes. So I'll link that at the end too. But yeah, she's getting hers all clean and conditioned up. And, oh my goodness. Mr. and Isaiah have been out here. Let me close this door. Mr. and Isaiah have been out here all day, because I think it's like 5:30 now. They've been out here since 11. And they have cut down, oh my goodness, it used to be bushes all over there. And they cut down the bushes. The deck is taken down. The deck looked so much bigger when it was right here. You know how a space is cleared and it doesn't look as big? But, so yeah, this is where the deck was. They tore the deck down. We get in the yard. I told you I'm going to put a pool and my little oasis out here this summer. But took some wood down. Or that's the wood from the deck, I'm sorry. Wood from the deck is over there. And then all of this stuff. And, oh shoot. Stepping places I ain't supposed to step. And, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Where did that come from, babe?
What?
All of that.
Right here?
Right there? Oh wow. So they're clearing out back here too. All right. Hercules, Hercules, Hercules. Isaiah, you been learning a lot?
Just push that area right on down over there.
I think he has been.
He like hanging out with his daddy.
I see. He like hanging out with his daddy. With his diddy. With his diddy. Okay. And over here, Isaiah and Chris built the second box for our garden. Let me see if I can show y'all. The first one is over there. And this is the second one. So we're going to have 2 gardens this year. And I would encourage y'all, the way things is going, I would encourage y'all to get a garden. I think it'd be very beneficial. You don't know what can go on and how fast things can change. I think it's important to get a garden. Y'all have to look into that. So, Yeah, we are on a hill. Our backyard is on a hill. Let me zoom out. But yeah, so we're getting our yard clear. It looks so much bigger when it's clear. We're letting it grow. We had let it grow up and everything. So anyway, my husband put some bricks there just for the time being, so that you can come off of there. And I really don't know why he did all that, but he did. Why did you put these bricks here? Why did you put those there?
Trying to kill the grass right there, actually.
Oh, okay. So my husband put these he put those slabs there to. Oh, okay. He put those slabs there to help kill the grass too. So anyway, we're going to get a slab of concrete back here instead of having the deck. I'm going to get a slab because it was too much to keep that deck up, repainting it and doing all that stuff. So we're going to get a slab of concrete. I want it hopefully a little bigger than it was. It'll be like from the door out, so it'll be bigger. And then I'm gonna put well, I'll show y'all how it's gonna look later on, but I'm having a little oasis out here. I really love that about a backyard. I don't like having a backyard and not using it. So yeah, the neighbors are working on theirs too over there. So yeah, he got a lot of work done. He's been doing a lot of projects around the house since this coronavirus shut down. And getting Isaiah used to doing things, so he'll know when he gets a house, he'll know how to do things. So I'm going back in. Me and Jalen are having mother-daughter time. Now Jalen is teaching me, or rather I'm having a lesson on iMovie on my MacBook, because I was editing on my phone. And I had edited a couple of videos when she was here at Christmas time. I'd edited them on the MacBook, but I wasn't real clear on everything. So she's teaching me, she's giving me a refresher course, and I am taking notes.
So, to put all of the movies from your downloads into iMovie, all you're going to do is click iMovie and drag it to the side like that. So that way you still see import media, because this is where you're going to put all these new clips at.
Okay.
Then you have your downloads on this side of the screen. So all I'm going to do is click and drag all the ones we just downloaded onto the MacBook. And I'm going to bring it over here. When you see the green plus sign, that means you are good to go. Let it go, and they're all in iMovie now for you to work with.
Okay.
You just clicked and dragged them all over. And all of these are highlighted yellow. That's how you know you have all of their attention. So all you're going to do is just click on one of them, and it says plus 25. That's how you know you got all of them. And you're just going to bring it down here. And now they are all in order of how you just brought it from your downloads to here.
Okay.